Vasam, calm Vasam. Your attention should be there in our heart, not our mind. Your anger, your greed, your lust, all the negative points lies in our mind. There is no anger in heart. There is no greed in heart. There is no place for anger or greed or lust or for any negative element. Heart is not a place for negative elements. Mind is the place. Heart is not cunning, heart is pure, mind is cunning. So you should live in our heart, not in our mind. How? You should look at our own I feeling. Who am I? Who am I? Who am I? This journey leads you to hold there, to stay there in our heart. Otherwise, it will again comes into your mind, just like the tail of a dog. As long as your attention is there, and by finding out who am I, who am I, who am I, you will be there in our heart. It is the purest place. Heart is the purest place. It is the place of divinity. All the gods are there. Holy place, the real heaven. Not imagined heavens. The birthplace of our own ego. It is the purest place. There is no difference between a flower and a there is no difference. No good, no bad. Everything is divine. It means it is as pure as a flower. That cloth is as pure as a flower. Man has no body, but we are seeing his body. It is the purest of the pure. Divine body. Why it has no evil? What is that evil? Body bound I is the first evil. And the last evil also. Only one evil. Only one bad thing. Jnani has no body bound I. What else there? Purity is there. If there is body bound I, it is. If If there is no body bound I, it is pure. Children have no body bound I, so they are pure, just like gods. We love the laughing of children. We love to see the face of children. Why? They are pure. They have no body bound I. We are all having body bound I, but the child have no body bound I. So he is equivalent to a jnani, not ajnani, a jnani. All children are equivalent to a self-realized person because both of them have no body bound I. Jnani realized that there is no body bound I. They don't know about their coming ego. So they also have no body bound I. Children have no body bound I. Children may be lean or children may be stout. Still they are beautiful. Why? They are not persons. We are persons. Persons with ego. They are persons without ego. Children, Bhagavan is speaking. Bhagavan is speaking. You don't know, he is seeing something. Children sees more than us. Our little brain cannot see it. Our little minds can say purity, but children can say. Their aura is greater than of us, greater than our aura. They have purity. So let us acquire purity by doing this tapas. What is this tapas? Know yourself. Who am I? Only one question. Satsang is enough. By seeing your own eye, you will go into the lands of purity. The grace of purity. Your brain will have so much clarity by seeing your own self. Who am I? Who am I? Who am I? This very tapas, this very practice, this practice alone gives you clarity of the brain and purity of the mind. Pure mind is what? What is the question here today? After transcending Dehatma Buddhi, one becomes a jnani. In the absence of that idea, there cannot be either kartratva, doership, or karta, doer. So a jnani has no karma. That is, a jnani performs no actions. That is his experience. Otherwise, he is not a jnani. Simply, self-realization is not at all an experience. It is not an experience. In every experience, experiencer is there. If there is any experiencer, if there is somebody who is experiencing self-realization, then it is not self-realization. It is not at all an experience. There is no person experiencing self-realization. There is no person at all who is drinking the happiness of self-realization. There is no person. That very happiness alone is realized. We cannot understand with our brain that phenomenon, self-realization. We cannot understand, we cannot explain it. If there is a jnani who is experiencing self-realization, it is untrue. It is not correct. Self-realization is not just like an experience. Truth reveals itself. Happiness itself reveals. For example, actually there is no darkness. If the sun comes, darkness will go. It is the question of, is there sun or not? It is the question. Is he realized his reality or not? This is the question. There is no darkness at all. There is no individual ego at all. There is no individual I at all. If you look within continuously, then you will arrive at a place. It is not at all a place, but we are saying that it is a place. You will arrive at a place where there is no I-ness also. There is no I.